Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I create profitable backtests using LuxAlgo Premium Backtesting System. So obviously you'll probably know this is one of the best systems to create profitable backtests and quickly see how changing one input is going to change your results, and it really makes it speedy. So I'm going to prove to you. I'm going to do a live, you're going to have to take my word for it. I'm going to pick a crypto at random, okay? I'm going to scroll through the list. I've got my eyes closed, you'll have to trust me. I'll scroll up or scroll down, and if there's one okay, Matic. Let's go to Matic. Let's go to a Matic 30-minute. And let's see what we can do here. So we're going to load it up. It's on totally default settings. Okay, maybe that's a little too good. Let's see if we can get a let's see if we can get a slightly worse. Okay, there we are. We've got a nice, reasonable looking chart that seems quite natural. Okay. So we've got a negative profit factor. We've got a profit factor below 1. Not ideal. Not a profitable strategy particularly. We've got a reasonable win rate. Now, the important thing you may see over social media is common, and it is related, but you may see high win rates, and you're going to assume that with, yes, this means the system is profitable. No, I can have a very high win rate. I can have a 99% win rate, but if my wins are 0.01 and minuscule things, and my losers are thousands of dollars, I'm obviously not going to make any money. So let's not pay too much attention to that. Overall, you'll see this is a bit messy. Let's compare it to buy and hold first of all. So buy and hold Matic on the 1 hour is going to outperform it. So let's get to work on this strategy. First of all, 12 and 24 is what the dashboard is recommending. So let's go to our settings and let's input 12 and 24 because it's saying, hey, these are the settings you want to be using to get the best profits. Okay, there we are. So we've done that. And now we can see a far more reasonable profit curve. But let's have a look at these figures. Let's have a deeper dive. 1.2 profit factor. 1.2 is, look, it means you have a profitable system. We want to be aiming for 1.5 or higher. Let's compare it to buy and hold. It's outperforming buy and hold a little bit, but the big issue is this drawdown. We're getting large drawdown in these areas. That means we are giving away a lot of money in these weaker areas. So let's see if we can try and eradicate that drawdown. We do not like drawdown in our system, especially 52% relative to this is quite high. So let's go into the settings and let's see what we can do. So straight off the bat, let's play about with trend strength. Let's see if enabling trend strength makes our best profits go higher or lower. So we're only going to take signals when trend strength is above 50. It makes it go lower. That's totally fine. Let's change this to lower than. So let's see if we only take signals when the trend strength is not high. Let's see if we start to get higher best profits. So it's going to load and it's going to tell us. It takes seconds to check. Well, no, not really. It's made our profit factor go lower. So what we've learned in a matter of seconds that would normally take someone hours. Hey, for this asset, for this strategy we're creating, trend strength is not the way to go. Totally fine. Zero wrong with that. So let's turn it off. Let's get back to our baseline. So it's going to load and it's going to return to our old best profit. So our old baseline. Totally fine. Let's go again. Let's have a look at the smart trail. Let's turn on the smart trail for buy. Let's see what happens. Do we go above 0.81 in our best profits? So it's going to load. 0.81 has flew up to 1.06. So if we now input 11 and 13 and we click OK, we should get a more profitable curve. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what it spews out. Okay, I think everyone will agree this is starting to look better. Our net profit's gone higher. This plot is starting to look healthier. Our drawdown has been reduced. Our profit factor has been raised. Exactly the things we want to be looking for when building a strategy. Let's now see if we also apply smart trail filtering for the sales, if that's going to make it better or worse. So we're only going to take sales in a downtrend. Let's have a look. So 1.06, let's see what happens to that. 1.11. We've made it go even higher. This is exactly what we want. This is all 100%. I'm doing this right here, right now. No editing. So 13.24. So now let's enter our new best sensitivity and agility and see what kind of plot we're getting. So it's going to load. Wow, there we are. Look how effortless that was. Our profit factor's gone to 2. Our percent profitable, we're near 75%. We've taken 100 trades. I mean, look at it. It's a beautiful, beautiful strategy. And that took us seconds to build. Like truly, it was effortless, and it's going to plot it all on our chart. We get all our signals very, very, very simply, and we can use those. We can automate them, totally effortless. You can automate them via the any alert function, and that's building for Matic. So let's do one more asset. I'll show you one more asset, and we'll do it totally. We'll pick another random asset. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna pick another crypto. I'm looking away from the screen. You're gonna have to again trust me. Okay, I'll stop here. Let's look through. Let's see if there's any we know. Maybe Aave. Let's take a look at this. Let's go on the 1 hour. I still have the settings from the old strategy loaded that we just built. So, okay, there we are. As we expect, different strategy may not work as well on a new asset. That's totally fine. So let's see what we can do here. So let's start a blank canvas. Let's turn off our smart trail, and let's return, and let's see what happens to our best profits. Was the smart trail actually helping us on this particular asset? No, not really. Doing basically nothing for us. Best sensitivity 24, best agility 24. So let's enter that, and we'll get our starting point on Aave. Let's see what we can do here. So it's going to load, and we're going to have a look at our curve, look at those figures. 1.2 profit factor, 70% profitable, and the max drawdown is pretty nasty, and the net profit. Look, compared to buy and hold, we're outperforming the buy and hold, it looks like. So that's great, but we can do better than this. We wanna turn this 1.2 into 1.5 or above. So let's start playing about. Let's start with the trend strength. So we'll enable trend strength, and we'll only take signals if it's a low trend strength. So let's see what happens to 83.2. Has the trend strength improved this? 91. Wow. So the trend strength here has actually improved our system. And we've got to a 1.5% profit factor, 75% profit, 70 closed trades, and it's reduced our drawdown massively. And really, that took me seconds. I mean, this is only 70 trades. I'm not going to go over every permutation, every combination of settings, but I just wanted this to be a quick video to showcase the logic that you'd undergo to build something like this. And you can take this to a whole deeper level. I mean, I'm only using the inbuilt filters. I'm only using the inbuilt filters here. You can go and you can use maybe the built-in exits. You can use anything. You can use an external source. You can say, I want to exit when the RSI is above 70, and you can see how that affects your profits. It's that quick. It takes seconds to check. I mean, it really is effortless in my opinion, and it makes the entire process of backtesting smooth like butter. So thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to cover any specific videos, and have a nice